What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, RJ Car Review. I'm your boy Ricky. So hope you guys are staying healthy, staying safe. I know I am, man. This is my first POV. First POV I'm doing. You know, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I've been kind of like, I don't know, walking around with a camera on my head. But you know what? It is what it is, man. This is what you do for the channel. This is what you do for the whole YouTube thing, man. So, yep, finally did my tints, man. Look at my tints. Finally did tints. It took me a while to do this because it's illegal to have tints in New York State. If you're a passenger and driver's side door, your windows are tinted, you get a ticket. So I jumped the gun. I said, whatever, it is what it is. And I just did it. It looks so much better with the tints. So what I did was, I don't know why I didn't do the same percentage all the way around, because you're gonna get a ticket regardless, no matter how dark it is. The back is 20 and the side here is 25. The passenger and the driver is 25. I think the car looks so much better. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Oh my God, man, it took me a while. But finally done, finally did it, and it looks so much better. This car looks so aggressive. I really want that R lip. It's just, I can't come to the agreement to pay so much money for an R lip. Really looking for an R lip. I don't want a carbon fiber one. The only one I see on like eBay is the carbon fiber one. I don't want a carbon fiber wing. I'm sorry, front splitter. I really want that R splitter, man. I think that would set this car off so much better. Let's look at that thing. It looks so good. All right, guys. So basically, what I'm gonna do a ride, drive around, and I'm not gonna do too much talking. So I'm gonna hook up the mic to the exhaust, you know, get some nice exhaust notes while I'm doing this little POV. All right, so hope you guys enjoy this, man. All right, hope you guys enjoy this.